Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm so excited to show you how I create this gorgeous French set. To start off, let's gently push back the cuticles to prep the nails. I already removed the old product, but oops, I totally forgot to film that part. So today, we are jumping straight into the cuticles. If you want to see my removal process, definitely check out my other videos. A few nails didn't make it this time, which can happen. She's been wearing this enhancement for over a year, getting it filled every 6 weeks. Over time, line cracks can develop in the older product. Let's jump right in, fix those missing nails, and give her a gorgeous refresh. After cleaning everything with 80% alcohol, it's time to build those new extensions. I'm using the Gelly Tips and Gelly Tips glue from Alezori, which you can get at Beauty by Wenn. First, of course, I'm applying a thin, even layer of base coat to protect the natural nail and create perfect adhesion. Next, I take the Gelly Tip, apply a generous amount of Gelly Tip right inside, press it down carefully to avoid any air bubbles, and then flash cure it under the lamp to lock it into place instantly. After they are locked in place, I just snip the tips to her desired length and gently file them down into shape. Now, I'm just going to rough up the tip a little and use my sanding band to file down that tiny ridge at the back. To make it look even more natural, I use a touch of acetone to tip beautifully onto the natural nail. This ensures everything is nice and sealed with no lifting. I'll let you watch the video for a moment so you can see my exact process. After that, I apply another layer of base coat or the tip. Because next up, we are using the Builderl Medium Bow. I am absolutely obsessed with this color. It is literally the perfect shade for a French manicure. Since this gel has a lovely, thinner consistency, I'm actually applying it with a top coat brush. It works like magic for a smooth application. I'll demonstrate this on a few nails now, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the background music. Once that's done, it's time to file the nails into their final shape. And because the gel applied so beautifully smooth, I don't even need to touch the surface with hand file, such a time saver. Next, I'm grabbing Snow White by Inverray, number 162, to paint the French tips. Let me tell you, it pigments and gives full coverage in just one single layer. When painting a French, I always guide my thin number 12 brush from the middle of the right point, and then from the left point back to the middle. This technique gives the cleanest, most symmetrical result. Once the outline is done, I simply fill it in using the brush from the bottle. Let's do a couple more together. Grab a drink and enjoy watching the process. Let me know in the comments right now, what do you find the most frustrating part about doing a hand-painted French manicure? Next, I'm sealing the nails with top coat, so we can apply my Icy Chrome powder later. Get ready, because we are creating the ultimate donut glazed French look. Oh wow, look at how beautiful that reflection is. It's so gorgeous. I'm dusting away any excess chrome with a super soft brush before applying the final top coat. To get that perfectly clean finish, I like to file underneath the nail after top coating. This removes any tiny bumps or product overflow, making sure the final look is completely sleek instead of bulky. To get that perfectly clean finish, I like to file underneath the nail after top coating. This removes any tiny bumps or product flow, making sure the final look is completely sleek instead of bulky.